In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break down Google Ads performance by city within Looker Studio. This guide will help you gain more insights into how your ads are performing in different geographic locations, empowering you to make more informed decisions about your campaigns. Before we dive into the process, let's make sure we have everything we need. First, you'll require a Looker Studio report that's connected to your Google Ads account. It's essential to establish this connection using the native Google Ads connector. And very importantly, double-check that this connector includes geographic fields such as city, as these fields are crucial for our analysis. Now, with everything ready, let's embark on creating a city-level breakdown. Begin by opening Looker Studio and creating a new report. When doing this, you'll be starting on a blank canvas, which gives you the flexibility to tailor your report to your specific needs. Once your report is ready, the next step is to add your Google Ads account as a data source. Looker Studio will prompt you through this, making it a fairly seamless experience. After connecting, your data will start feeding into the report, laying the groundwork for your city-level analysis. Next, it's time to include a table chart, which will be pivotal for our breakdown. To do this, navigate to the menu and click on Insert, then select Table. Adding this table will form the basis of visualizing your data in an organized manner. As the table appears in your report, you'll need to set it up correctly. Transition over to the Setup panel where you'll specify the dimension. Here, depending on what your connector displays, set this to either Town, City, or simply City. This will allow you to start seeing data sorted by these geographic locations. Alongside the dimension, it's essential to define the metrics you want to keep an eye on. You have options aplenty here, from impressions and clicks to conversions, cost, CTR, and so on. Choose the metrics that align best with your campaign objectives or current analytical needs. For those of you who really want to dive deeper into performance trends, consider adding a date range control. This feature allows you to view how your performance has varied over different timeframes. Additionally, you can also incorporate a comparison date range, such as previous period, to better understand performance shifts. These options not only enhance your report's adaptability, but also give life to delta columns, differentiating between periods. By following these steps, you now have a detailed and customized report illustrating how your Google Ads are performing across various cities. This localized insight can lead to more strategic decisions and ultimately improve your advertising initiatives. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both insightful and useful for your advertising efforts. Happy analyzing!